Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to create a custom sticker on web WhatsApp. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this is a new update on WhatsApp web where you can create your own sticker. So to create your own sticker, open up WhatsApp web on your Windows machine or your iMac or MacBook. Then go to a contact where you want to send a sticker to. Tap on the paperclip icon at the bottom left of the chat window. Select sticker. Then select an image from your machine. Then using the WhatsApp sticker editor, you can add emoji, stickers, text, or draw on the sticker again. Using the crop or the cut tool, you can crop into the image as much as you want. There is an undo button which basically reverses the step you performed. Once you're happy, go ahead and send the sticker to your friend. And that is how to create your very own custom sticker. If you found this video useful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more social media tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.